Welcome back to Hi guys, welcome back to educational YouTube channel. Guys, in this video we can discuss about the how to submit our blogger content in the Google. I mean Google search engine optimization. So before going to explain, whoever is not still subscribe our channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Guys, before going to section I need to tell again, if you see only one particular person videos, I mean this content blogger content, because many persons say the many different ways, so maybe some person they don't understand how we need, I mean how we can submit. So that's why if you follow only single person, you can easily understand what they are trying to say. So it's my request. It's if you want, you don't want to see my only videos, you can see any other person videos also. You can follow only single person videos for the blogger purpose. So let's get into the video. So I already opened my blogger account. Here I have published the seven articles. So in this article I need to submitted the Google search engine. If you submitted in the blogger account, it will not display on the Google. So once you submitted here, from here to we need submitted from the Google. So how we can do? So for that we will open the entireweb.com one site. Web submission. And another one is entire web. So for these both sites we can submitted the our bloggers. So for that I will explain. You can select the any your blog. So I will go with the third one. So you can copy the URL link from the blogger, copy and go with the free web submission site and scroll down. You can see if you submitted here, the article will be submitted total 31 such web searches, I mean web search engines. So once you copy that URL link, you can scroll down and you can see here you can remove this one and copy and give your web, your blogger name, and give the email account. Once you give, you click the terms and condition accept and submit your website. So it will become like there. If for that you need to open your Gmail account for the verification purpose. So I already got the message. So here we can see success. Only some website is failed, but no problem. If you want to do again, you can do again another one. You can go with the URL link has already been submitted today, so your submission has been cancelled. Please return the free web submission homepage. Go to homepage. So once you can go, I will tell you again another fourth one. So copy the URL link, go to web submission, paste, name, give your blogger name and your mail, click the terms and conditions, and submit. Close this box. So it's wrong. So that's why we need to, first one is better. So second one, and go to let's start it. So we can use the free version, but we don't need to the money version, right? Why we need to choose the money version? There is only some, here we have only one option is more. Same one, same choose category cost. Here we can up to 3 images your listing, up to 10 images. Only that one. Okay, no problem. We can go free version. No, this is not best one. So this is the best one. You can copy your and give you email ID, because I already gave, that's why it's already come to suggestions. Once you can proceed, so choose the free. So it will be display Google, Bing, Yahoo. Once you submitted here, it will be displayed different search engines, Google, Bing. If there is some mistake, yeah, hello, Interweb, Infosys. So these are website. It will be submitted one time. After that, you can submit your website. Once if you done, if you check in the Google search engine, the post will not display. So we need to wait the 24 to 40 hour time. We have to wait. So once if you have to wait, you can get after the your post on Google search engine. So this is how we can do submitted. So if you, I think, hope you like this video. Please, if you like, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for spending your time to watch in this video. Thank you, friends.